How you doing? This is the Bothy Ballad. This is Boogie's Bonnie Bell. Hey, Whitsun tide in Huntly town, 'twas there I did agree. We all boogie side o' Yarney, a 6 months for the fee. New boogie was a surly curl, and I did know that well. But he had a bonny dochter, and her name was Isabel. New Bell, she was the bonniest lass in a' the countryside, and very soon I lost my heart to the Bell o' Bogie side. And often on a summer's night I'd wonder wi' my dear to see the truties loupen on Bogie's water clear. Now weel I kent I was nae much for Bogie's bonny Bell. Whene'er she turned her e'e on me, she fairly cast a spell. Oh, I tried in vain to keep awa, for it come to eventide. But in a dream I'd wander till we met on Bogie side. 'Twas just afore the term time, all Bogie come to me, and said wi' faces black as night, it's you I want to see. If it my doctor says is true, we can nae longer gree, and it's down the road you'll gang without a penny o' your fee. Oh, says I, old man, you're fairly recht. I hung my head in shame, but I will marry Bell the morn, and gie to her my name. Oi, Carsten swore, and in his rage he said that rather he would see his daughter lying dead, aye than marry unto me. Though I was but a bloomin' chiel, I thought he was gay sair. And though hard it was to part wi' Bell, I didna say nae mair. But packed my cast and left the town, Peer Bell I didna see. I was that mad I never sought the wages due to me. Well, now she's wad to a tinkler chiel, his nickname's Souter John. She hawks his pans and roosers around me foggy lawn. They say all Bogie roos the day that he did rave and yell. Ha ha weel, 'twas me first won the heart o' Bogie's bonny Bell. Bogie's bonny Bell. Thank you.